You want to be like a mountain, hard, strong, and strengthened from everyone in this world. You want to be like a moon, bright, beautiful, attractive, and giving light to everyone in this world. It's not possible without pushing yourself forward, even in the hardships of life. It's not possible without regular practice and time management in your gym. It's not possible without taking pain on your muscles. It's not possible without facing more and more difficult time. Even it's not possible without kicking a football even in the old age that you know it's not possible. It just requires time management, focus, and aim. No doubt, one day you will be rise like a moon in the skies, and you stand like a mountain in front of